Welcome to AI Money-Making Mastery, your 10-minute guide. Discover how to use AI for income with practical steps and tools in just 10 minutes. AI is opening new income avenues. This video shows you how to seize these opportunities. We'll focus on actionable steps you can take today. Choose your AI niche, content, design, or automation. Pick one and then master the tools. Then you can create content on your chosen channel. Try AI writing with ChatGPT or create art with MidJourney. You can generate income through these beginner-friendly methods. Start today. Create content with AI like ChatGPT. Design with tools like MidJourney. Automate your work with tools like Zapier. Explore AI skills. Use freelance platforms or sell digital products. Try affiliate marketing with AI. Build your personal brand and share your AI journey. Select your niche. Then master the AI tools. Build a portfolio to showcase your work and market yourself to reach clients. See how freelancers use AI for content and design. Learn how to generate passive income and see real-world case studies. Pick an AI niche. Master the tools. Create a portfolio and start small. Then scale up your skills and earning potential.